sure. Oh, okay. Don't know what to put this on, but okay then. This review, the Pizza Beagles review from what do you call their name? I don't know. Just deal with it. Just I don't know. It comes from all these different plates here. Yeah. This one's the microwave, and this one is the oven. Okay, look at this. Look at the microwave. No, I understand. On the bottom, I stacked these two up. Yeah, bad idea. And took most of this off. Okay, you see this? Here's the next one. This was on the way top, so it's unfair. But, roll. You see this? It's way more hard. This, it's soft. And now, let's do a taste test. It tastes sour. I mean sweet. But man, it's just mostly the bagel. And now for this one. So hard to get off your cheese because it's so soft. Okay, it's the same thing. It's soft, but I feel like the oven taste wins because it's soft. It's hard to get out of your mouth if you I don't know. It's hard to get out of your mouth if you don't the whole thing in one bite. But this, it's hard, but it's tasty. It's sweet. It's very tasty. It's like crunchy. It's crispy. It's like better than the microwave. It's like, oh goodness gracious, pretty good. Yeah, they both smell the same. There's no difference there. I'm dumb. I don't want to get these. Yeah, if you really want a small snack, then yes, I would get these. And they come in like 36 packs, which 12 packs separate, like 3. So 3 times 5 equals 36. 36 divided by 3 equals 12. And 12 pizza bagels equals 3 minutes to bake on the microwave, but 15 minutes to bake on the oven. Don't know why I did that much math, but okay then. I would prefer making the oven instead of the microwave. Look at that garbage. Oh my gosh. It feels like radiation burnt our faces off, but over here. Man, looks like they got burnt by you have a baby at home. Go with the microwave because it's very softer than the oven. So it's crunchy. Thank you guys so much for watching them. Hope you subscribe and like. Don't forget to do both of those things, but if you done both of those, then great for you. I don't know what to give you. Another video? Okay. Well, I don't know where it is, but it's on the screen somewhere. It's probably to your, I don't know. It's on your screen. I hope you're not blind, because YouTube is basically filled with videos, and videos require eyesight. Yeah. And why am I still talking? Bye-bye, everyone. Have a great day.